Here's the right propulsion bear exercise. We're going to be using this exercise to kick in the right glute, left adductor, and sort of correct any asymmetrical positioning of the pelvis, hip heights, or lateral movements in, say, squatting or hinging. So we'll get set up in a quadruped position. Hands are directly below the shoulders. Left knee is directly below the left hip on a yoga block, and right foot is on the wall with the right knee slightly bent. You're going to be holding this position. Get the left inner thigh kicked in by bringing the right pocket toward the inside of the left knee. That's going to get that left adductor kicked in. When you fully exhale, you're pressing the right arch of the foot into the wall to get the right glute kicked in. And then pause 5 seconds and then silently inhale through the nose by pushing through the hands, separating the shoulder blades and feeling stretch to the upper thoracic region of the spine. And then you will just repeat that process over and over. Things to watch out for are being way too close to the wall or having that foot way too low on the wall. For doing this, you're probably not going to feel the right muscles kicking in. We also want to watch out for having that foot way too high up the wall or extending through our low back, creating like an anterior orientation of the pelvis. Lastly, we want to watch out for over-rounding through the thoracic spine. A lot of people like to try to get scapular protraction by doing this, but really what you're doing is just shrugging your shoulders and not getting as much as you need to out of this exercise.